So today we'll be pairing our CMS controller or gateway to a new organization while also creating a floor in that organization and a specific room or neighborhood or zone to that specific floor in the organization. We start off with pairing our controller or gateway. As you can see here, you can see our controller, and it consists of two ports at the back. One of them is a DC port for power. The other one's the RJ45 port for Ethernet connection and internet connection. So to begin with, we plug in our DC port. And we get our Ethernet port and also plug it in. So once you plug in a DC port, you can see the RGB lights are on, and we know that the gateway is energized. Well, after we energize the gateway, we download and install the CMS installer app from Play Store or App Store. So we access the CMS install app, and we see that there are different floors that I've previously created. To create a new floor, we add floor. We give a floor a specific name, floor 1, and we click add. In this case, I already created the floor. It's called level 2, and I'm in the specific floor. So in this screen, you can see that there's rooms and devices. If you don't see this screen, you might see the dashboard screen. You just have to click devices. So to create and edit a new room, we click the plus symbol. We give the room a name. We can call it office space 1, and we click add room. So now the room is created successfully. So we can upload an image to the specific room by clicking the plus symbol. We can take an image or choose an existing image. I will just simply take an image right now. So I took an image, I click OK, and now we can crop this image in the specific box that we have, and we click crop. Now upload image. So the image now has been uploaded successfully, and you can see that it has changed. So now we go into a specific room where we're putting and installing this controller or gateway, and we click the plus symbol. We click under the hub section where our CMS gateway is recognized in. We can click on CMS Electra. We give the hub a name. So we call it controller 1 or anything you would like. And now, because we're setting it up with Ethernet, as you can see, we click set up with Ethernet. But you can also set up with Wi-Fi and follow the procedures on the screen. So we're going to set up with Ethernet. It's going to ask us to check the status of the Ethernet LED and to select an option below. So our status is solid green, it's not blinking. So we click solid green and next. It's now advising us to scan the QR code that you can find at the bottom of the controller. So we get our phone and we scan the QR code. Once the QR code has been successfully scanned, we just continue by following the procedures on the screen. So it tells us to connect the Ethernet cable, which we already have connected. So we click next, and now it's connecting hub to cloud. And in a few seconds, the hub or the controller is connected to the cloud. So if you want to confirm, you go into the room and you can see that there's a controller, and it's called controller 1 in office space. That's the room name, and the controller is online right now. And that we confirmed that the hub or the controller is added to the specific room.